iyo neja kureka hariya
akalive nene kakureka uri nyatiro kalive
kutukurako no kakwata mu then no tandika kutureba nto bakira munonga kandi bakunda bakutureba ha TV West okucara munonga abantu bitu bakibona kigombe cyabo gimbigara bushenyi Patrick na makanake nimbanta turukire kandi akakanto gumeno kagamba
nagamutoroka ya tumshanaje
akokutoroka likasa kora Arozia sa ubwa recent tukaturiyo mu kazempaka Arozia siyagira natoroka yo kace nyekiro nitemba ngaruka
ekigambo cyako
nkarana nintambara for 2 days nisha na savinge motoka zempaka nango abantu bamwe bagira ngo nimbiha bamwe bakama bitwaho
abikoma
onkandwa
ayo
mama unoboni nka
ayo no ground
kamasaka
anyway
so how did the schools of course
nimbanza no kubakoresha iyo team zona ezujwe kire cyanga cya ankore nango nakigezi omuzano ebireri bokediye ya Bo Games 1 usa Bo Games 1 ermu rugby eyabazani 15 ermu umpira gw'ibigero gw'abishiki ermu basketball ya 5 ermu umuzano gwaho koko bakuzana 7 ermu table tennis ermu badminton ermu na tennis je ya hakroso witaha then usayongire mu mizani ndije y'abana barya hansi y'imizani 16 mu Bo Games 1 abe harimo handball under 16 harimo volleyball under 16 netball under 16 hamwe na handball under 16 umuzaneji izoberi nangerezaho kwenda kugira ngo amashomero agaramo masheruka girls agarmu Bweranyange girls agarmu Chamate eje yantungamo agarmu Boni Conceal agarmu Ntare School na Mbarara High School na Merehir nanshemeye ko baninjwara t-shirt zabo burukacwe kankataho nkabaji yeshemereyo okwenda kuboreka ngo emzaneje itubere ntureka ha TV West TV West tutushwire itwe nkaba best kunu ya station ya Rugambo Runyankore yongo umunsi yona nito tubere ntureka zaneji kurugabo kedia nambare ahiba bendo bazanda amashomera gagana mentioning agakoze rege mnonga ecyo kubanza team yitwerera kureba neka umusem finals ninga show finals zumpira gw'ibigere gw'abishiki ni Citizen High School hateta chiroho etachine na team 2015 ahari Ntare School hariya ekiko finals kawempe yagitera gori shatu ari ibiri kandi yes nabwete marukutera gori shatu konkarita na bossa na wakati bamugori ibiri and it was a thrilling final ejono story mpango then yaza no mpaka za East Africa Rwanda huye ayitwa abiri turi nubwo leta rarigire mu kibinje twizere twakireba after 10 years Boni Conceal erukikora ekiro mu semi finals konka ba champion ba kizamana bagitera gori na ariyemwe konko mu finals ezo umusem finals ezo yaba Sentonowa umusem finals ezo turebere mu positives nyingi za Boni Conceal abo kuba umushiki imurinde atebere goals 3 za Africa ko mu championship nemwe kandi na nejo gore emwe yibatebere no yatebere
free kick set piece
mitaza 5 ni 5 Patrick tingumanya kore no kizano mpira konka tingumanya kutwina ka video yako kutetu inaka video yako wale bo mucyo yahitije mpira umufayino yujuke bushenya kateba the same free kick akutera Shema Girls ya the first goal ya Boni Conceal so as on positives bazo mu same final bazana amini baruzinga kawempe na ya ruzinga kuri ya Amus then baza kuronda umwanya gwa kashatu Boni Conceal katahamane minji yabanza kuteba umukino bamweta Biba strikeaho konka kawempe yikora izinga Agnes nabo Kenya bazo penalty kawempe nankani Boni Conceal ya smartininga penalties zayo penalty sita na arena okutwara umwanya gwa kashatu bronze I think okutwara bronze umurundo kubanza mu myaka 10 n'ikintu cyango munonga twatushemeye kuba twikirezwa konka kwemera tukatera Boni Conceal mu ngaro then a big result Mbarara High School na Ntare School zikikom finals za hockey boys echabiri kitakabaho gatimu za ankore umuzano gukakunguru ngoriyo sense Charles Rwanga kasasa yes St Charles Rwanga Kasasa na za Kisubi St Mary's College Kisubi nuzo masters za hockey konkantari izere ne gerano mantare no yabantu zo muzano wa hockey kandi tiremba high school severally actually mbara high school gitira chikopo chi East Africa ndare chikopo chi cha Uganda ndare chikopo cha Uganda kachitwara he 2023 obu hostinga erikutera kakunguru memorial gori ibra haryemwe so mbara high school izere ne improving omuzano ogo ni congratulating mbara high school okusingura chikopo che katera ndare mu finals gori ibra harubusha ndare yatwara silver kakunguru yatwara bronze twazo muzano gwa football girls nyabare ekahendero
mu finals mu champion so far mzano yoga metina yabira mu champion
Kashimba High School kanagamba champion waho
champion wa girls not there
champion wa girls not there but the bronze is a recognizable achievement. So then nyabare erukiko quarter finals umurundo gwa kabiri ekasingwa munsi gori 3 arusha umuzano gwa bicumupira gwa bici konka intare school ekasingura handball yabojo under 16
national
yes then chamate girls baba ba kabiri handball girls batwara silver then masheruka volleyball ekikomo finals yaterwa bukedia ebigoba bibera harubusha yes masheruka hanu
masheruka ni dimanya
yes masheruka girls
babargarije maktore ngashema
yes so then mbarai school mu rugby yatirwe Kings College budo mbarai school ekabe ya katano I think that was a very big performance gazi teams nki 16 konka rugby 15 zegumire ejo ni rugby erukweta yes ya 15 konka ezi teams zitu za Ntare mbarai school nzikira kuzanaje rugby 7s home ball games too so nyenda kusima amashomeraga na necanga cha ankore okubasa kusendinga teams ziri very strong akari yo teams ezindi abo kubezahirwe emyanya ezagenzere on merit ekaberi Bonaconsiel Shema Girls Nyabare hamwe na Kibingo Girls then ni Bubangizi hamwe na Kinone Girls ezo zikazire teams mukaga ujuke teams zikuzuko mu final quarter finals hino ku zone ejo erukongerwaho slots hat slots zitu mukaga zitwa winingire emyaka 2024 zugumireho abo kubanyabare na yekiro mu quarter final Nyabare ukiko mu quarter finals ekasinga Shema Girls round of 16 penalty so hati Bonaconsiel ubwo yekiro mu semi final because bakongeraho teams ezindi zikashaba Merihire kashaba then na Kashenshero tukatwine yo teams 8 konkana zozazanaje because Merihire ekafuna akabonero for the first time mu myaka ine yetwire neza national championships abo kubeka drawing na team yendebe 0-0 mpira gwa bwo kubanza konko gwa kabira munsi yabasinga na nogundi team ndija yabasinga yes yeah I think it was Gaddafi kabasingira ariyemwe bazo mu classification games na bwese tiro basingwa ibira hariyemwe konka bakakoraje team zona zikakoraje
because academically we are good here and also in sports we are trying so no we are better than other schools
Jacob noreba Merihire cyo kushabira umwanya wo kuza national championship for girls football nenshonga emwe yabinje batakamanyire okuguruminga bicaba kwego mupira coach nabaso butakwegesa komarayo konka wazana na timu za amusezi ku final ninga za Central Noise kutwara ikikopo no bakufitira gori 10 hinabane chibakwega hinabano kuba kwega mpira yes that exposure so I think Merihire you are doing a right thing ngira ngo timu no yakweta korfa injire
they think about academics tubakuza mu mizano konka we are proving a point na mizano
ojuke last year nabwo bakaza ndeje Kawempe bakari mu group ya Kawempe Merihire has always had a very strong unfortunate draw
I think the
Kawempe kabatera goro bani no 10
it's manu jangwa ati umutiyana gora kubi mukake usually you get number 1 who is seeded hata usanga bakwata wiki yaza under
yeah seeding
until you improve I think nkabone consider kafuna team is strong
no because hata ubwe
seeded nkayani
nabwo last year they seeded because hata no mabaka seedinga teams 16 they made 16 groups kugira ngo abana bazane imipira ya group as it is a very good system yanguhira yes yeah so zaba nyingi zibezera nkaga nina so kuba arigero mu group stages teams zikuzana imipira 3 per group hata bazo mu round of 32 bazo mu 16 that one saves time in 5 days you are done with the championship.
Alozi ase cyanje nimbasa kubura na nisaba tipping mukake a level ya semi-finals ishomero rya Jinja is called Jinja what? Eliazanire na Kitende.
No, to aturya haga ball games game 1.
Boys
coming to the boys. Yes, coming to the boys.
Nimbasa kusiga time
progressive. Yeah. Actually, we can cross over. Games 1.
Boys now.
Congratulations you teams. Boni Konsir, Mbarai School, Ntare School, Masheruka, Chamate, Obgeranyanji. Thank you so much for the representation. And we are proud of you. Congratulations upon the first point. Point yanyu yoko bazo mugaru football. It is a big lesson. Apparently, batire hemzano ya Olympics for schools, and these schools have been invited. Boni Consil ni Jacoberi ya Algeria mwezi kwa Mukaga, I think next year. Olympics
they are
schools
facilitated.
Yes, I think government is going to put some yeah, because unoreba kuba kurugayo nabaza kuzome mpaka East Africa. Yes, Kakamega, and it is stretching the budget of the schools. So you all see omwami Donald Rukare ninjara tushemeye kuja kugira umurundi gumwe tukamu hosting aho akatugambira schools Olympics on Africa for the first time. Is Rionzija, what does it mean? What is the intention nehechigenderwa cha International Olympics Committee and twenka UOC ninga shi Uganda amashomero gitu garaze yo nagazaganyirwa mu gata government yeterekanise eta kuyamba ko amashomeraga because pour Algerians banza Kakamega nkebyo tushemye ko programminga tukamuhostinga ho and
on boys
crossing over mbarara nini ankore tukashocherwa amashomerana St Kagwa champions ibanda St John Fisher silver medalists then Chichwamba na Nyamitanga twaza kureba amashomerago gakozire zone ezasigara ohiriho Chichwamba tuzaragire mu group including St Kagwa
tukakoraje mushawo
yes
bakaterwa team ya Menta.
Yes, Menta around yes, around of 32. Yes, yeah.
That was a good performance.
Konkanya metangana na ibanda tuzaragire mu group. Konka Chichwamba yo ekarabaho yaterwa Chadondo mu last gasp bakaba bari no bazom penalties. But it was no representation age. No representation age. Chichwamba ne ya
because they are supposed to be falling, but we falling anka. Muri ankore.
Chichwamba high school ne ya Rubirizi hari.
Ata ekizeta kuno
Rubirizi
district region yakuri
Rubirizi district na party ya Angole zone. Yes, Rubirizi rekanze kushomere ni 13. Rubirizi, Metoma, Ntungamo, Isinjiro, Kazo, Chiruhura, Ibanda, Bushenyi, Shema, Mbarara City, Mbarara district. Hasigara ya Buhweju, then na ndije hasigara ya na Rubirizi. So Rubirizi Chichwamba is there and Oijuke last year bakaba bafunde suspension abo bakashanga bintu muzana tashyikire tinkwenda gukoza ikigambo mu cyuba akaba tashyikire akata transfer ingire akatine imyaka karengizeho so babiha mu konkana bo batukira mu round of 16 Chadondo yabiha mu tubarekire mu quarter finals so konka incident yabiyeho echo kubanza ninyenda kusima zone ankore hamwe na usa okubasa ku chenchra abazana aba tournaments zakatandikire kuwa kuba followingire event ya Okedia tabire mu petitions followingire event ya Ngora tabire mu petitions konkana stia echabire Ruwero dercho cha Masaka boys football it was so beyond so teams zakachange kwaje and ninyenda kujoininga aba mindi kuyihira karyanje nanye incident yabiri hose final ya Kitende hamwe na Jinja progressive magana kaya nanda kutahiramu nemirundi nyinje yiturebere ibintu bitashyikire bikubaho mu muzano ni twabahagize tukakirebamo tukakitamo feelings konkana bwo tukacanarizing tukareba konkana referee ngo yanakora bya bitakire appointment of referees there are very many issues tukubasa kwata referee wa Mbarara okamuherezo mpira gwa St Kagwa ningo wabushenyi mpira gwa St Kagwa gwa semi final national championship abantu no byakusharaje nibije kugira ngo yashara kubi it is wrong konka ninyenda kujumira reaction y'abajinja progressive bwa nyuma yo kureba Laina ahanukire bendera ya Sharagoro bakirukanga bakatandika kumutera. I think that was the end of it. So umupira Patrick bakutera jinji waye gwarga yo katere chikonde ibona bakwa red card ou atere chikonde bamuha yellow card we atere jinji abuba organism ninga shokwana
no tumanya ngo obsession ena affecting abantu
yes nachi kuganda ngo natandika twire ntureba
kandi umupira
konkiwe Patrick bakusharra kubi your reaction teshemerire kuba nebo kukwate chikonde ninga ngoni okatero washara kubi echo njano no ichizaga
aba professional abantu batamcyana yakamunana
It's a game. Kukuchikora
babafubire yes
bakufubira munonga chiro wakutere jinji
Aroze Stewart recently mu first round team ya Mbarara Stake anezana na Mbare center referee akaba ari Ogomusi wakakoba Shamim nabadda already abawagizi bambare kikati abagire Ogomana Nazarwa ati echo cya kitende referee kuruga wakiso
ayino mukazi kitende
psychological ompira tekukatandikire na games master akakigamba
kandi mukama waba referee mu championship ejo abana beno bashomera kitende so hatiwe n'ubu wakushara jota abantu bakayikira
akakubuze hati wo kuzamwa ngo abana beno bashomera kitende no habagambira
hata no haya bagambira bikabura
ifo netambura asimwezo
alose asinimo marandikire mu mpapura before that
Patrick tibikobura
because you have looked as a referee on the pitch jazo mukichayi ebi outside pato aina kichayeru aina bakazi bangaye
Patrick ninyendo yetegereza situation age
professional should have been professional
yetegereza situation age referee no byakuba professional ata konka yanashara umupira ogurya hagati ya timwe hakurga na nendijo
wachira atimanchira
kugamba
na investigation inetambura
appointment was bad
that is the appointment was bad so and remember Jipra eka complaining konka the complaint was not listened to konka barabikirize complaining referee yaguma
abantu bayombe
abantu bakana bateko nico nagambara in my understanding and if it is and nyowe nanye tinkuranye no kwikikana nimpuranye no kugira kwetomba tabwo wari nashara mpira konka reaction yanje nyo reaction ya ibi byagora katubireke bworo kuyaje bazere nuko nyo reaction ya
Saruza swata I want to summarize this one so of course bakabapa
congratulations Budo congratulations Budo aba Jipra nibisha kugira ninjana nibisha kwa piringa konka noreba wano ya piringa achikonde na nempe nemigire na nenkoni congratulations Budo abana ba Budo abana babuda basinjire yes kitende this is the third year consecutive no second year consecutive masaka bakabasinga Budo nayo bakaba disqualifyingire masaka terekire enehoya so konka abana babudo in appreciation omwami muwonge iba wa Susan muwonge the super lady no head teacher yes mwe mukama wa Budo ss burumwana omuzire washaningire miliyoni mukaga konka papa serezo kugura a border to sustain the lives of these kids then team yona bachereza miliyoni 20 so burumwana sayiningire miliyoni mukaga then team yona bachereza miliyoni 20
burumwana mukaga kandi
ego burumwana bamuhire miliyoni mukaga
bareje baro
rekorebe they are two gifts
total is how much
kwata mukaga baze mwa 25 burumwana bamuhire miliyoni mukaga project ya boda yes konke sente zo kusayiningirwa bazire babo then team bajihereza miliyoni 20 kuzibagana ba coach y'abazani
technical
yes so that is yes
now first of all boda each student bakweriza abazire that one is okay
yes
from the OBs actually that's why they told me
management
yes now umurumuzani
team yona ya football baje miliyoni 20
kuzibagana tumusabwe muna twa miliyoni
so mbweno mwana inenka miliyoni mukaga ne mutwaro nshanju buryo
wagita muna boda
wagita muna boda
okuya pato tukuruga point age niza kongera ukache aloze asiyakakwa umusiza ni mukama wa Budo ss then Susan aine primary
Budo junior
ne feedinga
yes
okuya
but primary is the private one
okay fine
na nambara school ya na nuwa ko nambara ya tuma
ko SS na yer
private akajya
King's College buddo niyo ya government konka
akajya kamuheru Western College no izuka ngabo wo mwaka 201 ekyayambire ngabo munonga kuba system eje katekizire yo kuteka mu yo nebo ine myaka engayi ngabo ekakosa abazani musanzu ababire ne barugwa mu timu yambarira FC Baleyi ba Moses abakongo babona koraki
wabire ngabo takabiyeho timo kaoba obo ine ID chonga ID shomero bajuka
konga nabwo eje team is strong and able to sing because that's what we having back champion
so
every moment
even na St. Leo's Chekobe
kabenga 97 oyo muzungu Fazalio no mujezi
Father Ryan
I think one of their products in Akurum Fufa mu St. Leo's
aba St. Leo's
is called Google are in charge of goalkeeping no akana no mu administration I educate that person bakaja when an ubu actually ubu mumbwiro obo bakaza no mpera munungi munonga it's called
Ejeni yo Fufa it has creating avenues ex internationals no basa kusavinga umupira either as a coach ninga nka referee ninga nka administrator
that was a good wrap up konka fragaruke
but once again congratulations to Boni Consir okureta bronze omu girls
kwa wachigambire sister
Kachope Gladys ntuza kumwejo
sister izo mu studio
na friend uri muri
Kachope
wa fanda ari akachiko
no mu studio obiyegambira
CV West yashaba sister Kachope next Saturday ntuza kuyija
mu bya YouTube
then na sister Grace ntukwendeze birungi Immaculate
bakakurusinga bati
Immaculate actually ebire yakashatu
nayoga
Immaculate ebire yakashatu mu volleyball under 16 girls ahi masheruke ebire ya kabiri Immaculate
konkashi at credit anyway credit nezo akachope ninga wa sister Grace
Chris Cross
asante timu yakoze we ninga wa koze so emuriyecho abwe mabwat kwata turakorenza kugenda mukamuntu tugenda Uganda Premier League niyo tugamba especially to do with Mbara City ebine biro byona akwatwazombya Fufa ebina bironde top kendizo bina assembly yabo kirungite kabiri kwikahata ati so we shall get a result we analyze that one of course turebe neza kuyambachi arabe president yaza what is he focusing on next maybe years this one's kurataho konka right now mukizo kunjumuna tugambira kwa mutamu center number Pepsi ka Forever nkarunjumunonga mlinda fruit twazo mukamotargo tugaruka tugambira Mbara City tekisharwo konga se chukura tonikia neza kustruggling nko kwebere kozire season eje ebyona mu second round ya program yito orongo to bwebuzano takaga
Of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best daughter in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Otafe umupira mwiguga oweturukwetebe kanisa kiniro mirakongere umupira byagati y'abakozi ba Radio West Vision Group ni Sinjo District nugwiza ko ebira binabishati byakoze kwa gatanu mwakovu achayi district henyini umupira kwatarika ku njumuno gatwagira isanu ngeri izoba achama na loni chamano anaweza kawa Minister Bright Wabiraba
gwakwata kandi kawa ka Clovis raheza o Dixon heza free heza master teacher apoto yatema batari kachi maruguni bakurigeza ngo Nikolaitsa honorable byanyuma ya chief Forosio yazara kunji munonga salba ni bashatu batari Nikolaiza. What a match! A thrilling match! Kandi tsakwatiro guno muzano gwa Kasameme ebiro 30 kwa katano omuri mugamba rwa Mpara.
Nehinda
programu baje tobe ngo tubemezano kandi turi ya TV West mwebera kwa mukoreba kurunci munonga ntubasima. We don't take it for granted mwine bindi byo gukora mwaronke mikoro nyamutanguko y'amano yo kombeka akidayisisi yitu by the way magnaki ndio mukaturuki ndio toka kimanyaga ndio mukaturuki ukimanye kandi nanano guno mukaturuki
ati
so
amazima gawe ni make unenda sirwari papa yenyini ya guba ajirewo papa ne bamweto wa T Francis
Leo wikumene
mukuinduka kati Francis
asikani wabindo tu kumenina tukabo hataro yotorale biro mwikakwera
kandi Francis nkafa ninkasigara ndi mu dini yanjye Papa Francis akafa
muntu no muzuma aseti azabizibile kakubizana so lizawe ma archbishop witu Lambert ino mukorwama n'umunongo kugeza kutereza Nyamitanga jo banyanywe katanga long time ago so twatunyuna abanza actually kuza kwiza mu studio so mwebare kunje kutebeka nso mukoro mu njugwamani konkeche twatutihirira bakwaterana bya bone concile kugira ngo abanyadini nabo batiremwa amani because wala Mary to mentioninga the sente zo kuteka umwana ngatirisi mbakwato batekomezana bone concile na wala no bakwato batekomezana ba sister bitu antugamba sister Kachope sister Grace na sister with Sarah actually go Mary mbamweta Sarah they allow actually mwana atinka Mary njokureba umuchwanya ya Mary mbasabe sente nyingi konka nizinteganza kuzifuna of course zugumere but it is just 1 Mbazon basketball aloza sizia na sakwa witness one. Mbazon basketball, mbazon volleyball, mbazon
tennis, badminton.
Actually being a department in Pam. Burichibocho nora konkano zoma somera gani whereby they cannot even afford football. Even football kuzaha zone just okay varema. So for that case we appeal to schools please. The money we pay it's not only for passing kusinga bijezu. Na no mwana muhereze talent because when you get out of the school buri makosa talent aluze asi no mushomesa then hatebye mizano anosanga bya bayine mbakore bintu so let's do that one now let's talk about byamasomero turabgarikemu but good enough na wena ba first kigara good enough mwana kuruga akizinda JB aka part of the officials Munsa which I think it's a good one for Western Uganda
yes kashi ni project ya Uganda Secondary School Sports Association okutraining abana emyaka erkwija ningerana na issues z'aba officials kuba biased I think abana bishemero no barije kubana bashara imipira abana bato discussion ne basa kuba ningwa hatwaza ugigamba konka ningerana niyo process ya Uganda Secondary School Sports Association
buri munsi akwana ageze kurebaho kurango mazima twatunga official nunji munongo itakurga mu chaos in job because discussion nyo kugihagamba it needs a topic of itself appointments okushashwa kwa ba ref we shall make it a general actually next program
by the way
let's talk reka tujerebe amashomero aloza turabimara akabebe hango munongo ko kiti njaba
kumanya kumweta atugambere program after the Jipra Chitende
case natibya kanka
what next ahubwo kuba turebera abana bato umufayino kitende nabo rivals ba Wakiso turebera abana bato bahanduringa jo mpira tira utabireho na nangije na chaos so nankan program ya usa on officiating officials
kurangu bya peaceful ni bitambureje
cyangwa especially football
yaba boys kukanore ba kan official yaba another topic to discuss ba summary of it no kugambira yo kuri no tureba bodo SS ni ture cha boys so tumanye at least that's a summary of it then binsa kwanti byongera kuri njuno katenda ari Mbarara City ebene the best coach trained even from outside the Ireland nankahi kandi atenka timu zinji munonga that is umuntu witu wa Western Uganda Mbabazi Livingstone. However timu ya Muremera kache esharwa actually kuyatiwe Wakiso nekatona na timu ya Rugazi ebene kusharwa konka biza bakotoma na kugarwa ari umunsiche zaidi biye kwazo ya savinga timu yetu. Now to me of course a level ya Mbabazi na chiza zaidi omo experience na gukora buri kimwe cyone. So what happened mira kwegeragere nkahi ebintu kihinduka turagira mu transfer environment niyemwe nikacheka ebihimba nebe no buhungana kuva kurya itari kintu cyahindukire nice cyabiro kusanga ati rizasizbiro kandi uri abantu umurungi ningo tuteka ngwa experience zibezita kwiza
awe bare mnonga pato ninjira no mbazungu tubireba team extra golinga kubi munonga bateka wonka interim coach usanga nakoraje timu ya Mbarara City tibinji byona toni tuza kubigamba tubiyeze yebire inebizibonka timu aza tokubasa kubimanya wabatori munonga mu nkambi ya timu ya Mbarara City Mbabazize good coach okuya onyoe mu season age mureberewe bintu bisatu one abide aine kibakweta ekiniga towards abazani beyi baba aliyo mu camp Mbabazi takuseka baba aliyo mu training nasalira baza match day buri mwana natina yakore ensobi na amanya Mbabazi naza koraki kumuyaho
nagambe bwa bobi ninga just na mwe
kiri mu ruzungo mutunasa kurebesa just amiso manye patogo muntu naenda kunjuma ningo rede yakozereki yanjumire ati ninza koreka ka substitution zabire nakora obire no sanga onzima ogwa kusamba namba mushanju akumureta kubureda kikanki nkibire ningisatu aza zaidi ogwariwo turebera kubasa kwereza onzima edakika 9 ninge edakika 5 tuwabire ntuzana na Wakiso onzima ne yatebere goal almost edakika 9 zona akakora akazimwereza cyayureka to wari wabazani babire natera akatebe nibarungi nabo kubane bamutina usange ikintu cyakora
hata na mutina tukuja mu na mutina burakuzana je under pressure
omuzani wazanira ori under pressure oyinekora kubi pato naza kora bigezo bya P7 ndikopa ndikumanya to nasta mayina Roses ninza kutera yakiso mbone kumuyaho answer erizoba Roses bamuhindura yasta mari ebigezo nimbane zakoraki ninza kubigwa ati omuzani abire nazo mu kisaye akumanya wona wakorera ensobi ne bamuyayo ninga naza koraki naza kujumiwa
there was that pressure then so zaidi wakaizira ya chitereza what
okwa ati noreba zaidi abire na stamana Mbabazi no basa correctinga ensobi za mutayi wawe zabire nakora ampira gwa Mbarara City versus Wakiso no mugiga yenyini honorable mwene mpaka ompira akaguriwe n'abakungu abandi beta kubasa gamba bakagenda mu dressing room ya Mbarara City bakwereza abazani abagezi enjeje bakuza kuzana go mpira gwa Wakiso good enough zaidi mpira ya
dena bwachibe batakuchikora
echa
ahomba Mbabazi
head coach abira akiri omusinza we ati we assistant ninga deputy tokweyeyo mukama wa wakiriwo nowereza time
bakwereza honorable mwine mpakana na timu yeje benezo mu dressing room kabama ebigambo byo kubika rijinga abacyo batachukura mbwire bwa Mbabazi arikubyo buri bwabe na losing
kutubire nusigaza empire eshatu ejo jiwagamba that is Wakiso na Rugazi yiya woneke atutire ninga URA eje mpire ebire nemanyisa icyamani munonga Mbarara City versus Wakiso it was the finals abukuba Wakiso kai no bonero 20 Mbarara City einabiri na bisatu if Wakiso kuyasinjire ekaneza mbonera 23 badrawing na Mbarara City kikachi kiza kuba tough munonga kukiyayo but good enough tukasingo ngo
ndo kati now okugenda kwa Mbabazi you have a right decision
mu matches esigiri ishatu kikaba yamba munonga kukireberaho mangu akwa
abataka kusinga no abataka kusinga kishatu obuzwe zirinka important
neda sebo kikate kikubasika a reason zimwe zinagira ati kubasa zigamba
yes aha barase now yasigaram from the calculations of course teachergam timu zaragira mu Bright Stars Mbare Heroes na timu ya Wakiso Giants yes now unoreba nkayimbara city ekikwasa kujimprovinga etagiye ka last minute nkejo kutwenturwa na mwere kugira ngo echa ambira kutwana Wakiso kesise kamubaro so ene wasa kuimprovinga can they stay with the same coaching kazaida jitware ninga chetanga mu
yasigaza zaidi nka coach ninga no rumors zikugama tunaka naiza bine kongera mu abazani abari quality nka bibitu abire tuine mu bigiri cyo kumanya to naba ndio muka niza kusinga nazawe ninyi ya draw nati mbara ibyo byona bibire tebiriwo probability ebire walezoba ne batusinga wani tusinga so aine garuka aleta abazani abakuzana Premier League ya Uganda bukwa next season eza kuberi hard eri muki amugiga webare so tuine ku planning as early as possible tinabazani biza nibaza kumaraho tuli mu bururu tureke to team titwa strugglinga kutere nduru Mbare Heroes
aloze asabya se Mbare se kuso ngigambo kache koka na ndota kolingona nabo kwatana Vipers twari
Uganda Cup
as it was predicted nya nyonga kigamba team abandi kumwe mu kireba konka ekindi kugira ngo Uganda Cup amwe kirajyo azana ukira assignment wajikora ekirajyo now Vipers yatari ko pombi cyakubaho because next ana chitara kandi already in advantage ya gore ya TV so cyabaho ikabwa na KCCA mu finals ekatera KCCA ekatwari uko pobiri nici tukurata umukutuzwekera arenguru Africa
echo kubanza kandi aneke Mbara City ningira Mbara City management ekakora nshobe okugarura mbabazo mu rundo rwa kashatu kandi mbabaza hiyabire narga no kuyabire na ija akaba frustrated na Arua Heroes umushija yakafta mesente zeye akaronda minu basa tamwe abazana munana bikiragiro abona ababasa omuzane gitwarebere bakuza kuhendera so even na no kuyizero no na contract ya sayiningire keta kumuhereza mani kutamama no mutimu
omuyeja
yes na fight na nanka ncanya na nankana na timu kuyabireri na administration ya team ekabere very weak nza kukigamba abo kuba waza kureba even na nyimwe bazyo abazana aba babeno babanja winning bonus zemzane ebiri na Rugazi konka bazabahire nkashanka mukagaze ciro ompira gwa ejo motivation administration yo mpira notekwa ku motivatinga even administration yona turiyaha company ito net motivatinga tuke Patrick so kukushohora heru waza kaba manager w'umpira abana no ba motivatinga no babi n'abakazi no babi n'abana no babi n'amakano babi n'abakubarebera abarumuna kushoshora fees ka fees nanka nakashara kabo kakara kace no kahereza konko kushashara abazani umushara nikijiro mu administration umugiga wonko muntu wota kumuhiki wa administrator wa team ka team manager CEO okamugambira twine problem eji kandi genuine ukamutina takushashura ninga takuchifaho takumanya namanya n'ukwebiri so abazani
abayebatine takumugambira eberiya yes
I think ninjabo bayo bari kuna page kutina bwisho and so on I think
so Saddam
Mbaraste ne yetaga kantu kachemo
moment Saddam is the right person at the moment
I will not say is the most right person or right person konka ninyesiga Saddam management yo mpira agitwire mu bwire bwinji kuruganya metiyobora kuza global hishomero nko mushomesa kandi nko kwakumanya ayino mutumogo I think Mbara City ne yataga mwakantu kache ka administration ebonire eba kugamba social media na nebindi ebyashana baguze mpira and so on ebyo tinko bimanya kandi tinkwenda mbigambe wabo ko batimbine ho bahame
akabuzo muzano utimu bagisharo
nyoni imanya ebyo nebyanyimwa bananka ba influencer konka management kuruga har coach mbabaza Israel frustrated kwijo mu Mbara City cyo oreberanye okunjire kurra makuru na orangu babena batemba bastino ragambe taro music bagwejegere mpaka ibara kira munanke jya bakoza kuzana mpira barage mutina ragamba kandi dictator there is no discussion there is nothing mbabazo beno mureba batagamba nabanyamahuru coach ko gamba nabanyamahuru jo twine strategy twine man gati twine au chimwika hati na kareba buri coach na yenda gambire team ye ya protecting abazani and defending abazani agambe iki bari no ba planning agambe iki bari no ba
ko toshikana kwata
na kwata hako hata ba so different abo kugira ngo abe na feeling eri ya pinchi na no kwayizira tasayiningire contract nungi nyomba rasite ningendeze ababazana baroho no bamara konka bamwe batandikire nkabasire batandikire gamba bari no barga hati man so on
so aloza so buri batwata definitely
yes Vipers
so tuza Vipers
nko kukiriyo mu nakejo mu Europe Vipers kwera atere kwera atwara Uganda Cup team hendire rye yakabonije kuzo mu abo bani ko cyabire last season yeah there is a season of Vipers kitwara
season maybe previous one start this time
of vera yabeneza kukitwara Vipers ikatwara double team ya kabiri KCCA ekazumu nankejo mu Confederations
so the roster still stands actually
yeah unless it was changed yesterday so kugira ngo wazo finals
so homework anyway ni homework naka aloza so homework
jione ka kwata ukache cha Uganda
translation cyo nagamba
at whatever Uganda Cup nkareba isabire ko yatwire bikopo double yenka president Mulindwa doctor akagira step aside ndio ninde Tom Zungu so ogumwana coach wa Vipers na Rugatoro he comes from Toro so na sakutwala that double no sango mugiga aliyo na planning koraki kureta akuzana continent
so makana kan komya itajo kasa next program nsakuiza nacho at that time actually mfaka twamenya no hala twena chikopo jire kimwe turanze abyahera abo kuba twasigaje jaso muntu mubo ku discussing Arsenal basa kwendeta n'umwanya gwa kabiri neta sa team ya Newcastle United Alozias what happened turn around last time unabe kwinaha okoine smile okushemerwa buri kimwe cyona things have changed.
Nati, I am smiling.
No, it's the
yes,
first one.
Sheffield United.
This is the first one. Now,
Sheffield United is over. Nezana na timu ya Sunderland finals za
playoffs.
Yeah, playoffs final. Kurondoa kashatu. Leeds United na Burnley. Leeds United to champions kandi tugarukira mu Premier League. Akasheko
congratulations.
Arsenal.
Now,
excuse me. Patrick,
I'm congratulating you.
Thank you so much. Arsenal. I don't know whether Arsenal must finish to very many people. Habwenche no mwenda Arsenal etware chikopo. Habwenche no mwenda Arsenal singo zumwanya guti. Habwenche yo man yeri yo na mukaga ninga Tottenham hamo kandi bari mu Champions League bari mu Europa League final.
Topkira kujereziwe makina kinyola ko
abantu ba Arsenal no mbaburinga munonga.
Sinakweleza Arsenal waleta Sheffield twikiriza.
Kanko warekeje. Arsenal hati echeri yone Rwanda ne pedigree mwanya gwa kabiri nyenchakare ine Newcastle tinchakare ine Newcastle kandi Newcastle has been a team of the season konkaisha ya sherebe towards the end
of Carabao Cup Chelsea
so yo kutwara Carabao Cup towards the end of their season okwenda kuzo Champions League no babaso butazamu konka Arsenal otajibarangu erigireho Merina ine red card na tawza kuguzana konka otajibarangu erigireho Arsenal ne hereruka Southampton so ne yetagaho wine mu mizane egi
Southampton forced a draw
mu Champions
remember
yes konka nabwe no Man U yagitire manere yo mu kikumu na mukaga so yo nacyo kitakweba Man City yo mu cyaga
konka to discussing Arsenal Man U iziraka amagara kwari
apparently ekina nyenda kurebaho timu zitano omurumu Chelsea omurumu Nottingham Forest kirumu omurumu Man City omurumu Aston Villa omurumu na